this.
Quit now.
There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. There's 10 of them now.
You really don't.
The bird.
Really?
Say something about him, them birds.
Yeah, I know. He's got one on his head.
No, we can't take them home with us, baby.
They're birds. They want you.
Oh, man. Y'all got some seeds?
Evan, come here, Evan.
This is what they're after, I don't think. Here, record. You want to try to get some?
I don't think it's good, though.
Okay.
I want one on my fingers.
You want one on your
Oh, there's one on my head. This one went away. I'm him.
Okay, I give up.
God almighty.
Yeah, you really don't want to scare them.
The bird's on you, Daddy.
Uh-huh. And they're not hurting me, see? There's nothing to be scared of.
They're flowing away. They're flowing away.
And I ain't even feeding them.
Ow, my ear. Cal, you got 2 on your shoulder.
This is like a competition.
Yuck you. They're yuck you.
Just whatever you do, don't crap on my head.
I'm trying to get them all. Hey, now they're going to give.
You got 2 on your head.
You got 2 on your hat, 1's on your ear. Nope, now they're gone. They're coming
I
back.
finally got one. Okay. That's all right. This little yellow one really likes my beard.
Yuck you.
Oh, that one too.
Colton. Oh, he's all right.
Probably what you'll have to do once you start walking, they'll start getting off of you, then I imagine.
Yep. I don't think they want to eat you. Okay. Are you guys about finished? Go play with somebody else.
I know. He's walking around shaking it like
Okay.
it's salt shaker. Go ahead.
Here, pretty. Get on my finger.
That's crazy. Yeah.
It's so on me.
You can stop it now.
It's so on me.